Hello, Rico the Wedding Singer here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to stretch and crack your lower back. I call it the one-legged curtsy crack. What you have to do is stand on one of your leg and with the other leg cross and then twist your lower back. Let me show you how it's done. Thank you for watching. Again, please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.